Another day, another English lesson. Two meanings of since. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're looking at a small word that does two big jobs in English, the word since. Have you ever been confused when you see since 2015 in one sentence and since it's raining in another? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand both meanings clearly. Let's take a look at how since works in English. 1. Since to show when something started. Time meaning. We use since to talk about something that began in the past and is still true now. It answers the question, starting when? Examples. I have lived here since 2020. I started living here in 2020, and I still live here now. She hasn't eaten since breakfast. She ate breakfast and she hasn't eaten anything after that, until now. Grammar tip. Time meaning only. Use since with the present perfect tense. I've been a programmer since 2010. 2. Since to give a reason. We also use since to explain why something happened. It's similar to because, but sounds a little more formal. Examples. Since it's hot, let's go swimming. Because it's hot. We took a taxi since the bus was late. Because the bus was late. Grammar tip. Reason meaning. If you can replace since with because, you're using the reason meaning. Quick review. Time. Since plus a point in time, since Monday, since 2015. Often used with present perfect. Reason, since plus a clause, since you're here, since it's raining. Now watch and decide if since means starting from or because. Choose the correct answer. One. She's worked here since January, starting from. 2. Since you're tired, you should rest. Reason. 3. They've lived here since last summer, starting from. 4. He took a taxi since the bus was late. Reason. 5. It's been sunny since morning, starting from. 6. Since the store is closed, we'll come back tomorrow. Reason. 7. He's been awake since 6 a.m., starting from. 8. Since you're hungry, let's eat. Reason. 9. I've known Tom since 2020, starting from. 10. She brought an umbrella since the forecast said rain. Reason. 11. We've had this car since 2018, starting from... "12. We stayed home since it was raining. Reason." I hope you'll watch more Worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.